Back for day 3 of the 30-day challenge to make $10,000 solely from LinkedIn and Twitter with ChatGPT as the coach. So the update so far is we've had 340,000 impressions on my Twitter and my LinkedIn content about this, but we've had 0 sales. So the past 2 days have been focused on pushing my e-commerce email marketing course. We've drove some good traffic, we've drove some good awareness, but no one's converted, so we've got $0 in sales. So today, ChatGPT kind of pivoted a little bit. So I let them know where we're at, and they said, look, the content has been great. The results have been impressive in terms of visibility, but let's shift our focus. So the game plan for today was to create a lead magnet, set up a landing page, and promote the lead magnet. And that is exactly what we did. So with their help, we created basically the ultimate email marketing checklist. They helped me basically create it over here. It was a couple pages of documentation with examples on subject lines and click-through rates and open rates and whatnot, some stuff on segmentation. And then we basically created a post where I had them write it. Essentially, they were saying, hey, still the boss. We're going in this direction. We want to provide a great resource. You can opt in here. So I don't really see the way that we're going to make money because we're driving email subs, which is great for me later. But the challenge is specifically focused on Twitter and LinkedIn. So I'm really curious tomorrow what's going to happen and what that's going to bring. But as always, you guys can kind of follow along with the link in the description. I'm updating this every single day on the post links, amount of impressions, how my follower count's changing, what I promoted, what that link is, the results, and kind of just some notes where, this first day, it was just a challenge. There was nothing there. The next 2 days, we had 0 sales on a course. And today, the metric that we're judging is email subs. So tomorrow, I'll fill this out to see where we're at in 24 hours. So follow along. It's kind of interesting to see. I'm not sure where we go from here, what we're going to promote next, or how we're going to use these lead magnets. But follow along. If you have any questions, if you have anything you want me to track, let me know, and I'll see you guys.